So did you guys know that our community throws away over 900 tons of food waste a year?
And that's going into landfills.
What can we do to stop that?
Well, you see, it's easy as 1, 2, 3.
So what goes where?
So now it's time to cover what goes in what bin. First, we have the compost bin. Most of that's just food scrap and paper materials. If you have a milk carton with milk left in it, you can toss it in the compost bin. If your milk carton's empty, moving on to the next bin, you toss it in the recycling. So next we have the recycling container. The recycling can take metal, like aluminum foil or the top of your juice, hard plastics like the bottom of your juice container, and cardboard and paper like your milk carton. If your milk carton's empty, it goes into recycling as it can be made into new milk cartons. And if you have a juice container with an aluminum foil lid, you need to separate the two before placing it in the recycling. Last we have landfill. It needs to be noted that no wrappers or straws can go in recycling as they're not strong enough plastic to be remade into anything. Right now they have to go in the landfill. You also have Pringles cans, which are both metal and cardboard that can't be separated, and Ziploc bags and other containers that just can't go into the compost because they're not food waste or liquid waste. Can't go into recycling because they're not metal, cardboard, paper, or plastic. They have to go in landfill, which will then be brought over to the dump. Lastly, we have the 5-cent redeemable container. This can take the 5-cent bottles that you might collect at home, like soda cans, like Pepsi, Coke, water cans or bottles, seltzer, and then it can't take tea or juice. If you have Arizona or Pure Leaf, unfortunately you can't go in here because those aren't 5-cent redeemable bottles. Once this is full, it'll be collected, redeemed, and then our environmental club gets the money. So now it's your turn to try.
Landfill?
No!
Okay, so recycling?
No! God, please, no! No!
Alright, so it must be compost.
Perfect.
So this is metal and it goes in recycling?
Yeah.
Yep.
Styrofoam in the compost?
No!
All styrofoam has to go in landfill.
Alright, so now you know that extra food and paper can go in composting, that metal cans and hard plastic can go in recycling, and that anything else really has to go in landfill. But you might be asking, where does it go after this? Well, the compost is great because it can go to what's called the bionic belly. It's a special machine that breaks it down and can provide energy for the community. The recycling, well, that goes to our recycling center with Casella and will end up being renewed into new plastics and cans. And unfortunately, the landfill we don't have a solution for yet. This will all have to go to landfill, but even having 2 other bins will greatly reduce our impact on the environment.